Sometimes due to printhead issue, the printhead gets dirty, and due to that there is a gap between the lines of black ink. So in this video I will show you how to clean the printhead and fix this issue. So this is the new printer which I am unboxing right now. I will just show you how to install a printhead. By doing that you will learn how to uninstall and clean and fix it again. So this is the new printhead which I am tearing up right now, and you can see this printer doesn't have any ink. This is a complete new printer. You have to pull this off, and there are two kinds of printhead. One is black and another is tricolor. So tricolor have three colors which print the color printing, and black does the printing of black one. So you can see this is the new one, complete new, look fresh. This is a black printhead, have one hole to fill the black color. On the right side there you need to fix the black one. So just insert this and push hard, it will get a tap sound. Just hold it wisely and it got fixed now. Similarly you need to fix the tricolor. It have three holes. Just need to put there and push, it get a tap sound. So it got fixed now. You need to drop down the cover of the printhead. You can see the arrow, and when you drop down it get open and close both way. So now I am just taking off this printhead. Similarly you have to take off this printhead, and now I am showing you the used printhead. This is the dirty used printhead. You can see the black ink all over there. Similarly take off the cotton or any clean clothes and just slowly wipe it until you can see the green color area. From this part the inks comes out, and don't use any water or any other substance to clean this. Just simply with cotton wipe until you can see the green part. This is the electric part, so don't touch that, it can damage your printhead. We can see that it is ready to use now, so I will show you how to fix it again inside the printer. Just similarly you can see that there is an electric part and color printhead is already there. This is the used printer which I am showing you right now. Simply put it into the place and just push it with your finger, and you will hear the tap sound. And now just close it. Like this the printhead has been cleaned and fixed. Close the tab and it is ready to print. You will see the difference. You can see the gap in the line, and right now it's printing.